Are you tired of losing readers because of simple writing mistakes? Whether you are crafting a social media post, sending a business email, or working on a blog, your words matter. That's where Grammarly comes in. With Grammarly, you can instantly transform your writing from average to attention-grabbing, ensuring every sentence is clear, engaging, and error-free. Say goodbye to embarrassing typos and hello to confident, polished writing that stands out, ready to elevate your content. Gomla is your secret weapon to writing success, and it's just a click away. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Grammarly. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into grammarly.com. This is the home page as you can see. So Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help you improve your writing by detecting and correcting grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style mistakes. It offers real-time suggestions to enhance clarity, tone, and overall readability, making your text more polished and professional. Grammarly can be used across various platforms, including web browsers, desktop applications, and mobile devices, helping users write confidently in emails, documents, social media posts, and more. So here we have firstly in the homepage responsible EA that ensures your writing and reputation shine. Work with an EA writing partner that helps you find the words you need to write that trick email to get your point across to keep your work moving. So you click over sign up or you choose also Google to sign up. You can just click over get Grammarly, it's free. You can also click over login if you already signed up and you will just find your account. Then if we scroll down you'll find here per writing, per results, to write text for the context, then you have your works where you work, never go out of style, then you have this is responsible EA, and that's it. So you can just read this information to more understand how it works with Grammarly. Once you click over get Grammarly, it's free, you will find this page. We have here sign up. If you already have an account, you click over here and you write your email address and your password, then you find your account or you can just get started. So you have just to write your email address here, you write also your password, then your name, then you click over agree and sign up. So here we have a sign up, you agree to the terms and conditions, you click over it to just read it. Then we have a privacy policy, California residents, see our CA privacy notice. Then we have also to use Google or Facebook or Apple. Then you click for agree and sign in up. Once you do that, you will find this page. Tell us a little about yourself. We will use your answers to help you get the most out of Grammarly. So we have your most of my writing is for, so you can just click over work, school, other projects, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page. My other projects are related to select all that apply. You select your hobbies, social networking, professional development, volunteer work, creative expression, class or workshops, or you can also select other, then you click over next. Then you will find this one. I mostly write, select all that apply, personal communications, creative content, outreach, materials, public posts, car documents, educational materials, and we have here others. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you'll find the last one, which is this one. I'll write in the following apps and websites. Select all that apply. For example, we have Outlook, Word, Gmail, then we have your Google Docs, WhatsApp, and we have your Teams, LinkedIn, Discord, Slack, PowerPoint, and we have Google Sheets. Then you click over next. Then you will find this homepage. We have here 5 steps. You have just to follow it to get started with Grammarly. The first one, you have to create an account, as I already did. You have to get started and find out what you can accomplish with the power of Grammarly at your fingertips. You have to take a quick tour. Want to see how Grammarly works? You can just click over start now, start show, like that, and you will find this page. We have here 4 steps. The Grammarly logo means Grammarly is checking your writing. Review and accept Grammarly suggestions as you are writing. Then we have click the Grammarly logo to go deeper. Then we have your pin Grammarly to your browser to quick access to critical features, and you can just click over here and continue with Grammarly. Then we have the third step, which is right on a popular website. This is how Grammarly comes in. Try Grammarly in one or more top websites below. You can choose Gmail, Outlook, Google Docs. For example, I will choose this one. So this is it. So choose Grammarly with Google Docs, start a new document or access an existing one. So Grammarly should automatically activate, indicated by the icon in the top right corner of the interface. As you write, Grammarly will underline your any grammar, spelling, or style issues. Simply hover over the underlined text to view suggestions and click on them to apply the corrections directly to your document. With these steps, you can easily enhance your writing in Google Docs using Grammarly. So this is how it works with Google Docs. And about the third step, you can also use Gmail or Outlook. Then you have the next step, which is explore our Grammarly apps. Get suggestions from Grammarly when you write in all your favorite platforms and devices. I will click over a few apps and you will find this page. Sorry, if you want to download the application, you have just to go Grammarly apps. We have the first one in Windows, you can just install it. You have your Chrome, you can just install it again. And we have here iPhone iPad and Android. Then we have here customize your experience, add words to your dictionary and let us know your language background. You click over here and you will find this. Your dictionary. Improve your Grammarly experience by adding words to your personal dictionary. These words will no longer be flagged as misspellings. You have just to write it. For example, I will write word. Then I will click over assign, and here we have it, as you can see. So Grammarly is a powerful writing assistant that goes beyond basic spell checking. It helps you produce clear, polished, and engaging content by correcting grammar, punctuation, and style in real time. By utilizing its features, you can enhance your writing and communicate confidently, making Grammarly an essential tool for anyone looking to make a lasting impression with their words. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. And if you want more information, you can just come back in the homepage. You can just read Responsible AI that ensures your writing and reputation shines. We have been work with an AI writing partner that helps you find the words you need to write that tricky email to get your point across to keep your work moving. Then we have also here better writing, better results, perfectly professional, clear, and convincing in a few clicks and a few hours. You have your right text for the context, your personalized suggestion based on what you are writing and who will read it. You have also works where you work, never go out of style. This is responsible EA. Don't compromise on security whenever sell your data. Provide it for advertising purposes or allow third parties to use it to train their models. So this is how it works with Grammarly. You can just start as soon as possible, and see you again in the next video, guys.